Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today I will deliver lecture on tensor analysis, lecture number 20, in which we will discuss about the curl of a vector in tensor analysis. Now we want to get the concept of curl of a vector in tensor analysis from the knowledge of curl of a vector in vector analysis. Let V be a vector in vector analysis and let vector V equal to u1i plus u2j plus u3k. Then curl V equal to nabla cross V in vector analysis. Nabla equal to I unit vector del by del x plus j unit vector del by del y plus k unit vector del by del z cross V equal to u1i plus u2j plus u3k, cross product of two vectors. Here equal to determinant of I, j, k del by del x, del by del y, del by del z, u1, u2, u3. Now we replace x by x1 and y by x2 and z by x3 here in this row. By taking here we have written already x equal to x1, y equal to x2, z equal to x3. The value of the determinant is del u3 by del x2 minus del u2 by del x3 I plus del u1 by del x3 minus del u3 by del x1 j plus del u2 by del x1 minus del u1 by del x2 k. We may write the components as ordered triplet. Components of the curl V is represented by del ui by del xj minus del uj by del xi. Here if we take I equal to 3 and j equal to 2, then we get here del u, here 3, here 2, I here, so we write 2, here 3. Similarly, if we take I equal to 1 and j equal to 3, here 1, 3, then here 3, 1. Similarly this. So we get the components of a curl V. Now, on the basis of this concept, we will try to make the components of the curl in a vector of tensor analysis. Now we shall have to construct curl of a vector in tensor analysis analogous to the concept of curl of a vector in vector analysis. Let A be a vector and AI be its covariant component, then the term del AI by del xj minus del aj by del xi is analogous to the term del ui by del xj minus del uj by del xi in vector analysis. Here ui here in vector analysis and in tensor analysis ai. Here uj in vector analysis, in tensor analysis aj. Now del ai by del xj minus del aj by del xi equal to, we subtract minus ap Christable symbol second kind pij. Here we have given minus, so here we give plus, the same thing, and this is minus del aj by del xi. We take these two terms in a bracket, then we take common minus del Aj by del xi. This will be minus Ap, Christoffel symbol second kind, gamma P. We have written here Ji because Christoffel symbol of second kind is symmetric. This bracket is the covariant derivative of Ai with respect to xj. This bracket represents covariant derivative of covariant vector Aj with respect to xi. So, gradually we have reached this point from the knowledge of the term del u by del xj minus del uj by del xi in vector analysis. We get del ai by del xj minus del aj by del xi analogous to this, the component of vector analysis. This is the component of a curl of a vector, and ultimately we get covariant derivative of a covariant vector ai with respect to xj minus covariant derivative of a vector aj with respect to xi. In tensor analysis, we define the curl of a vector A as follows with this concept. The curl of a vector A is defined as curl A equal to curl of covariant vector equal to covariant derivative of covariant vector AI minus covariant derivative of covariant vector Aj. Here we have a question, so that curl AI equal to del AI by del xj minus del aj by del xi. Since we know that curl AI equal to AI covariant derivative with respect to xj minus aj covariant derivative with respect to xi. This will be del AI by del xj minus ap, Christoffel symbol second kind, here I we have replaced, so here j, here p, minus this will be del aj by del xi minus ap, Christoffel symbol second kind, we have replaced j, so here we write j, I, here p, equal to del ai by del xj minus ap, Christoffel symbol second kind, minus del aj by del xi plus ap, Christoffel symbol second kind, equal to del ai by del xj minus ap, Christoffel symbol second kind, minus del aj by del xi plus ap, Christoffel symbol second kind, this is symmetric, so we write here ij in place of ji, since this Christable symbol second kind is symmetric. Equal to del ai by del xj. This and this term cancel. So we write minus del aj by del xi. Proved. Now our question is, if aij be the kernel of a covariant vector, then prove that covariant derivative of aij with respect to xk plus covariant derivative of covariant tensor ajk with respect to xi plus covariant derivative of a covariant tensor aki with respect to xj equal to 0. Since given that aij be the kernel of a covariant vector, so we write aij equal to kernel of a covariant vector. Let bi be a covariant vector, then kernel bi equal to aij. This is equation number 1. Now kernel bi equal to bi comma j minus bj comma I. This equal to del bi by del xj minus bp, Christoffel symbol second kind. We have replaced I, so we here write I, here j, here p, minus value of this is del bj by del xi minus bp, Christoffel symbol second kind. We have replaced j, so we write here j, I, here p, equal to del bi by del xj minus bp, Christoffel symbol second kind, minus del bj by del xi plus bp, Christoffel symbol second kind. This equal to del bi by del xj minus bp pij, Christoffel symbol second kind, minus del bj by del xi plus bp, since Christoffel symbol of second kind is symmetric, so we write here ij, since this is symmetric. So this term and this term cancel, del bi by del xj minus del bj by del xi. This is number 2. Since we have kernel bi equal to aij, therefore aij equal to kernel bi equal to del bij I del xj minus del bj by del xi. Let this is number 3. Now we have to find this aij comma k. aij comma k means covariant derivative with respect to xk. This equal to del aij by del xk minus a, we replace first I by p, Christoffel symbol second kind, we have replaced I, so here we write I, here k and here p, minus a I, we replace j by p, here we pj I p, Christoffel symbol second kind, we have replaced j, so here we write j, here k, here p. Now putting value of aij from 3 equal to del by del xk, aij is del bi by del xj minus del bj by del xi minus value of apj. In place of I we write p, del bp by del xj minus del bj by del xp multiply by Christoffel symbol second kind pik minus, we write here aip, in place of j we write p, so this will be del bi by del xp minus del bp by del xi and Christoffel symbol of second kind equal to del 2bi by del xj del xk minus del 2bj by del xi del xk, here minus del bp by del xj, Christoffel symbol second kind minus minus plus del bj by del xp, Christoffel symbol second kind pik minus del bi by del xp, Christoffel symbol second kind pjk minus minus plus del bp by del xi, Christoffel symbol of second kind pjk. Let this is number 4. Similar to equation 4, we get value of ajk comma I, that is covariant derivative of covariant tensor ajk with respect to xi equal to this. This is equation 5. Similar to this, in place of I we write j, in place of j we write k, and in place of k we write I. Similarly, we may get aki comma j, that is covariant derivative of covariant tensor aki with respect to xj. Here in place of I we write k, in place of j we write I, in place of k we write j, and we get equation 6. Using the symmetric property of Christoffel symbol of second kind wherever necessary, then adding equation 4, 5 and 6, we get aij comma k plus ajk comma I plus aki comma j equal to 0. Now we shall prove the second part. Since second part, since aij equal to curl bi, this is equal to bi comma j minus bj comma I. Interchanging I and j in both sides. Aji equal to b j comma I minus b I comma j. This is equal to minus b I comma j minus b j comma I, and this is equal to aij minus aij. Therefore aij is skew symmetric. Since this equation equal to 0 from the first part, implies that del aij by del xk minus ap j, Christoffel symbol second kind, we have replaced I, here we write I, k, here p, minus, now we replace j by p, here we have replaced j, k, here p. Now we solve ajk comma I plus del ajk by del xi minus apk, Christoffel symbol second kind, we have replaced j, I, here p, minus a, we replace now k by p, Christoffel symbol second kind, here k, I, p, plus del aki by del xj minus a, replace k by p, Christoffel symbol second kind, we have replaced k, this kj p, minus we replace I by p, Christoffel symbol second kind, here I, j, here p. Since this is equal to 0, implies that del Aij by del xk minus Apj Pik minus Aip staple symbol second kind Pjk plus del Ajk by del xi. Here minus Apk staple symbol second kind minus, here since AJP is skew symmetric, so we may write minus APJ, and Christoffel symbol second kind is skew symmetric, so we may write here PIK plus del AKI by del XJ. Here minus, since this is skew symmetric, so minus AIP, and Christoffel symbol second kind is symmetric, so we may write this PJK minus AKP. We may write this skew symmetric minus APK, and we may write Christoffel symbol second kind PJI, since Aij is skew symmetric and this equal to 0 right side, and Christoffel symbol of second kind is symmetric. So we may cancel some terms, only remains del Aij by del xk plus del Ajk by del xi plus del Aki by del xj. Here we see that this term Pj, here plus minus minus plus cancel, and this AIP here minus minus plus, so this and this term cancel. Here A minus APK Christoffel symbol second kind, here plus APK Christoffel symbol second kind, here this and this term cancel, so only remains partial derivatives, this equal to 0. So proved. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.